If you want to download CapCut on your PC safely and officially using Google Chrome, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple way. I'm also going to show you the browser version, so if you prefer not to install anything, you still have an option. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's start with the official download method. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type CapCut PC official download and press enter. This is important because you want to find the official CapCut website and avoid any third-party download pages that could be unsafe or outdated. Now look through the search results carefully. Click the official CapCut desktop video editor link. Make sure the website looks legitimate and matches the official domain. Once the homepage opens, you should see the main download option right away. On the official page, click the Download for Windows button. This will download the setup file directly from CapCut servers, which is the safest way to get the app on your PC. After the file finishes downloading, open it from your Downloads bar or Downloads folder, then follow the on-screen installation steps. Usually you just need to approve the setup and let the installer finish. Once CapCut is installed, you can open it and begin creating and editing your videos right away. Now, if you do not want to install CapCut on your computer, there is another option. You can use the browser version instead. To do that, go to CapCut.com in Google Chrome. Once the website loads, log in with your account. After signing in, you'll see the option to create a new project. Click Create New Project, and you can start editing directly in your browser without downloading the desktop app. This is a great option if you're using a shared computer, if you want to save storage space, or if you just want to test CapCut quickly before installing it. The browser version is especially convenient for basic editing and getting started fast. So to recap, if you want the full desktop experience, search for the official CapCut PC download, open the verified CapCut desktop video editor page, and click Download for Windows. If you want a no install option, go straight to CapCut.com, log in, and create a new project in the browser. That's how to download CapCut on Google safely and officially. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.